In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Figma file backup. By the end, you'll have a reliable local copy of your design and optional asset exports you can keep on hand, archive, or move to another account when needed. Let's start with the most complete backup option Figma offers. Open the file you want to protect. In the top left corner, click the main menu, then go to File and choose Save Local Copy. Figma will immediately download a .fig file to your computer. This .fig file is Figma's native format, and you can think of it as a snapshot of your design at this exact moment. It's ideal for safekeeping because it preserves your layers, components, styles, and structure in a way that can be reopened later. A couple of important notes about what this backup includes. The .fig file captures the current state of your design, but it does not include version history or comments. If you rely heavily on comments or past versions for context, just remember that those won't be inside the backup. Also, when you bring this .fig file back into Figma in the future, it will be treated as a brand new file, not linked to the original. To open it again, simply drag and drop the .fig file into the Figma file browser, and it will import as an independent project you can work on like any other file. Now, if you also want a backup of visual outputs for quick reference or documentation, you can export frames and assets as images or vectors. Select the frames, layers, or components you want on the canvas. In the right sidebar, find the Export section, and click the plus icon to add one or more formats. Common choices include PNG and JPG for raster images, SVG for scalable vector graphics like icons, and PDF if you want a shareable, print-friendly file. Once your formats are set, click Export to download them to your device. These exported files are especially helpful when you need lightweight previews without opening Figma, when you're compiling documentation, or when you want to share a static snapshot with stakeholders. Keep in mind that these are flattened exports, so they won't contain editable layers like the .fig backup does, but they're perfect for quick access and offline reference. That's it. Use Save Local Copy for a faithful Fig snapshot of your design, and add optional frame or asset exports when you need ready-to-use visuals. With both in place, you'll have a dependable backup strategy that's simple, portable, and ready whenever you need it.